Good morning everyone. In previous class I have explained you part 1 and part 2 of our lesson the tsunami. Today we will continue with our same lesson the tsunami and we will discuss about third part of this story. Right? I have explained you what is tsunami and we have also seen many sad stories of many persons in our part 1 and part 2. Now let's come and discuss part 3. Look carefully at the picture of the boy and his dog. Here students, you can see the picture of a boy is sitting and with him a dog is also sitting in his lap. In this picture we can see, and I have also told in a previous class that animals had sensed about some natural calamities, and for this reason they move to safer place and they don't suffer many for this reason. So now let's start to read. This is how you can start calm blue sea ruined hearts. Before the giant waves slammed into the coast in India and Sri Lanka, wild and domestic animals seemed to know what was about to happen. I had told you in previous class also, the animal understood before these calamities that something will be happen wrong. So they fled to safety. They moved to safer place to save their lives. According to eyewitness accounts, elephants screamed and ran for higher ground. Dogs refused to go outdoors. Flamingos abandoned their low-lying breeding areas and they rushed into their shelters and could not be entitled to come back out. Many people believe that animals possess a sixth sense and know when the earth is going to shake. When the earthquake is going to come and the earth is going to shake, the animals possess a sixth sense and know what will be happen. Some experts believe that animals' more acute hearing helps them to hear or feel the earth's vibration. They can sense an approaching disaster long before humans realize what is going on. ह्यूमंस को यानी हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स को, इंसान को जब पता चलने वाला होता है कि अब क्या होने वाला है, उससे पहले तो एनिमल को सेंस हो जाता है कि अब क्या होने वाला है, कौन सी डिज़ास्टर या कौन सी नेचुरल कैलेमिटीज़ होने वाली है. वी कांट बी श्योर वेदर एनिमल्स हैव अ सिक्स सेंस और नॉट. हम इसके लिए श्योर तो नहीं है कि एनिमल्स के पास सिक्स सेंस है या नहीं है. But the fact is that the giant waves that rolled through the Indian Ocean killed more than 150,000 people in a dozen countries. In dozen countries. Dozen countries means a dozen refers to 12. But not many animals have been reported dead. हमें जब नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर होता है, जब कोई डिज़ास्टर होने वाला होता है, कैलेमिटी होती है, तो हम सुनते हैं. वी ऑल्सो हियर इन न्यूज़ ऑल्सो दैट मैनी पीपल हैड डाइड ड्यू टू सुनामी, ड्यू टू अर्थक्वेक, बट वी नेवर हर्ड दैट मैनी एनिमल्स हैव बीन रिपोर्टेड डेड. बिकॉज दैट्स वाई we can say the animal had sensed what will be going on, and वो उनको पता चल जाता है कि कुछ बुरा होने वाला है, एंड फॉर दिस रीज़न दे मूव टू सेफर प्लेस. अलोंग इंडियाज कैडलर कोस्ट वेयर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल पेरिश्ड, बफेलोज, goats and dogs were found unharmed. The Yala National Park in Sri Lanka is home to a variety of animals including elephants, leopards and 130 species of birds. 60 visitors were washed away from the Petangala beach inside the park, but no animals' carcasses were found, except for 2 water buffaloes. About an hour before the tsunami hit, people running away from the Petangala beach. A Sri Lankan gentleman who lives on the coast near Galley said his 2 dogs would not go for their daily running on the beach. They are usually excited to go on the outing, he said, but on that day they refused to go and most probably saved his life. So this is our third part, and in our third part we have seen that animals had sensed about these natural calamities. Here we have completed our lesson, the tsunami. Thank you everyone. Take care.